Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you the simple and absolutely delicious Crockpot Chicken Tacos. You'll start off by adding about 2 to 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now I did wash these off before I put those in there. You know how I am about cleaning my meat. So now we're adding 1 packet of taco seasoning. Just sprinkle that all over the top. And here I'm adding 1 cup of salsa. You can put whatever flavor salsa you like, your choice, because this is your meal. Place the cover on your crock pot and cook on high for 4 hours. After your chicken's done, grab 2 forks and start the shredding process. Now you can shred your chicken as chunky or as fine as you like. Now once you're done with that, make sure that you stir that chicken up well into that salsa. Now if you need to add a little bit of water to this, that's fine. It's not necessary, but if you feel like it's a little bit dry, just go ahead and do that. Now grab your favorite taco shells and start building your tacos with your chicken and the vegetables that you love. I serve this up with some refried beans and some Spanish rice. Enjoy, y'all.